Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
We are fine, and you?
Fine, thank you. Today we shall discuss the rest objective questions of MCQ, multiple choice questions and answers of 10th class English prose at the high school. Let's begin with question number what? 34. Could understand question number 34. And question number 34 is like this. He retained his false nose ତାଙ୍କର ଯେଉଁ ଭୁଲ ଧାରଣାଟାକୁ ଧରି ରଖିଥିଲେ about handwriting till he went to A. South Africa, B. England, C. America, D. Gujarat. Which is correct? Tell me. Number A is correct. 34. That is number
B is correct.
B is correct. Thank you. B is correct. Thank you. Next one is where did he see the beautiful handwriting of liars and young men? A. England, B. South Africa, C. America, D. New Delhi. Which is correct? 35. B. South Africa.
South Africa.
Right? 36. I was ashamed with Lajjita. I was ashamed of my. I was ashamed of myself and repented. Anutap kali of my neglect. What does the underlined expression mean? A neglect of gymnastics, neglect of cricket, neglect of handwriting, neglect of health. Which is correct? I think C is correct. Right?
Yes,
Number C is correct. Thank you. That's like a good boy. What did I say? That's like a good boy. Next one is 37. Bad handwriting should be regarded as a sign of what? A. Perfect education, imperfect education, incomplete education, a bad student. Which is correct? 37. Yeah, B is correct. Right. Imperfect, asampurna शिक्षा. Right? Next one is I tried to improve mine, but it was too late. The word mine in this sentence refers to A. Handwriting, B. Gymnastics, C. Cricket, D. Sanskrit. Which is correct? Tell me. Yeah, that is A. That is handwriting. You understand? Next one is children should first be taught the art of days before learning to write. A. Reading, B. Speaking, C. Listening, D. Learning. I think D is correct.
Yes.
D is correct. Drawing. Chitra ankiva. Right? Next one is 40. Let this learn. This is not a lamb, that is a learn. Could understand? What did I say? Learn. Learn. Yes. Learn is letters by days of different objects of nature. A. Drawing. B. Painting. C. Observation. D. Enjoying. A is correct. C. C is correct.
Yeah.
Okay. C is correct, not A. Okay. Next one is which subject proved a harder task for Gandhi? Which subject? A. Mathematics, B. Geography, C. Sanskrit. C. Sanskrit. D. Persian. Which is correct? Tell me. C. Sanskrit. Next. Number 42. There was nothing to memorize in A. Sanskrit, B. Geometry, C. Geography, D. In days. Okay. That is days. So which is correct? Persian, D. 42, that is 42.
Number D.
What?
And number B.
Number B.
Geometry.
No. 43. In Sanskrit, everything had to be lent. This is lent. This is lent.
And nothing.
RN.
Hmm.
Lent. Dash. A in B to C by D at. By. By is correct. Preposition, right preposition by. 44. This is subject commenced. आरंभ हुई. From the 4th standard, which subject does it mean? Mean. This is mean. Would you understand? So, A. Persian, B. Sanskrit, C. Mathematics, D. Geography. Which is correct? Tell me. 44. B is correct.
Sanskrit.
Sanskrit. Next, that is 45. When Gandhi entered the 6th standard, he became A. Delighted, B. Nervous, C. Disheartened. Delighted, उत्फुल्लित. Nervous, हतोत्साह. Disheartened also हतोत्साह. D. Excited, उत्तेजित. So which is correct? Number 45. C is correct. Disheartened.
Yes.
Next one is 46. That is a person who imposes a harassing workload on someone is called A. Strict, B. Lenient, C. Disciplinarian, D. Hard taskmaster. Could understand?
Number D.
Number D. Hard taskmaster. Hard taskmaster means to impose a harass workload.
So A पर ध्यान देना चाहिए.
We shall give. Okay, it's not a problem. Okay, next one is a person who makes others obey his order is called a hard taskmaster. Right? A hard taskmaster. B. A disciplinarian. C. Lenient. Lenient means udar. Strict, kathor. Which is correct?
Number B.
B. A disciplinarian. Number B.
B is correct.
Next one is there was a sort of this. There was a sort of. This is wrong. Rivalry. Sort of rivalry between the Sanskrit and the Persian teacher. Which is correct? A friendship, B. Cooperation, C. Library. Pratidvandita. (49) The Persian teacher was not strict. Substitute a single word for the underlined part. Not strict means A. Disciplinarian, B. Lenient, C. Considerate, D. Hard taskmaster. Which is correct? 49. 49. B.
B.
Lenient, udar. Next. Who was a hard taskmaster? A Sanskrit teacher, B. Persian teacher, C. Mathematics teacher, D. Headmaster. Which is correct?
A.
A.
Teacher.
A. Sanskrit teacher. Next one is 51. How did the Sanskrit teacher react when he knew that Gandhi set in the Persian class? Yes. A.
C.
Delighted. B. Ashamed. Delighted means anandita, utpillita. D. B. Ashamed, lajjita. C. Grieved, dukhita. D. Angry, ragil. Which is correct? C. Grieved. Next one is 52. Won't you learn the language of your own religion? What religion does it mean? So,
Mean here.
won't you learn? This is learn. Would understand? Learn. R-N. Learn the language of your own religion. What religion does it mean here? A. Vaishnava. B. Buddhism. C. Jainism. D. Islam. Here number A is correct. Number A is correct. Vaishnava. Next one is 53. As you proceed further, you will find things of day's interest. Things of day's interest. A. Observe. B. Observing. D. Observed. D. Observant. So right answer
Number
is
B.
B is the right answer. Right. Next. This kindness put me to shame. Shame means lajja. Whose kindness does it mean here? A. Headmasters. B. Persian teachers. C. Mathematics teachers. D. Sanskrit teachers. Which is correct? Tell me.
Sanskrit teachers.
Number D is correct. Yes, thank you. That's like a good boy. Next one is I could not disregard my teacher's affection. ମୁଁ ମୋର ଶିକ୍ଷକଙ୍କର ମୋ ଗୁରୁଙ୍କର ସ୍ନେହ ମମତାକୁ ଅସମ୍ମାନ କରିପାରିଲି ନାହିଁ. Which teacher does it mean here? A. Persian teacher. B. Headmaster. C. Sanskrit. D. Mathematics. Which is correct? Tell me.
Number
55. That is
Number
C. Number C is correct. Thank you. Next one is Mr. Krishna Shankar Pandey was Gandhi's teacher. A. Persian teacher. B. Mathematics teacher. C. Sanskrit teacher. D. Geography teacher. Which is correct? Sanskrit teacher. Number C. Right. Next one is 57. I deeply regret. ଅନୁତାପ କରୁଛି ମୁଁ ଗଭୀର ଭାବେ ଅନୁତାପ କରୁ that I was not able to acquire ହାସଲ କରିବା a more thorough knowledge of the language. What language does it mean? Yes, mean. Wait. Here is a mistake. Okay. So number B is correct, right? Number B. Next one is 58. A course of study in a school or a college is A. Textbook. B. Curriculum. C. Scheme. D. Lesson plan. Which is correct? B. 58. B. Curriculum. Pathyakrama. Right. Next one is the Persian teacher was very dash put the correct form of consider, consideration, considerable, considerate, considering. So number C is correct. Okay. Next one is charities are exempted days paying preposition of, in, from, on. So C is correct.
Number C.
ଛାଡ଼ ରୁ ଛାଡ଼ ପାଇବା. I was on the Rose having neglected exercise. I was which number? 61. I was on the Rose. Rose here days. Could understand? Here days.
This.
Yes. Having neglected exercise. A. Then B for C in on. Which is correct? Nandi Rose then. Which is correct? Tell me. 61. 61.
Number
B. B is correct.
For
having, yes, this is. Next, Gandhi was convicted days lying. A with B of C on D in.
Of.
Right, and the right preposition is of. Right. The soul is not mortal. What did I say? The soul is not mortal. So substitute a word for the underlined word. Soul. This is the underlined word mortal. Could understand? Mortal. So its opposite word is just 1 minute. Opposite word is immortal.
Immortal.
This was right. Could understand?
Yes.
Next, the boy was not motivated. Substitute a word for the underlined word. Motivated means demotivated. Right answer is C.
Yes.
65. Right answer is
65 is number D. Number D.
D. Dismotivated.
Dismotivated.
Yes. Dismotivated. Negative word. Ravi days home by the time I arrived. ଏଇଠି ଦେଖିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ ଦୁଇଟା ଭର୍ବ ଅଛି arrived and go. So distance past nearest past କେଉଁ କାମଟା ଆଗ ହେଇଯାଇଛି ରବି ପଳେଇଥିଲା ମୁଁ ପହଞ୍ଚିଲାରୁ ରବି ପଳେଇଥିଲା କେଉଁଟା ଆଗ ହେଇଯାଇଛି ରବି ପଳେଇଥିବାଟା ସୋ ତାକୁ ପରଫେକ୍ଟ ଲେଖିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ ରବି ହେଡ୍ ଗନ୍ ପଳେଇ ଯାଇଥିଲା ହୋମ୍ ବାଇ ଦି ଟାଇମ୍ ଆଇ ଆରାଇଭଡ୍ ସୋ ରାଇଟ୍ ଆନ୍ସର୍ ଇଜ୍ ଡି is the right answer. Could understand? 66. This is
65.
Huh? 1 minute. 65, I see. This is 65. 65. Okay. Next one is that is 66. He suddenly realized that he days is left on the train. It be distance past is nearest past is. He days right. ଛାଡ଼ି ଦେଇଥିଲା ତ ପ୍ରଥମେ ଛାଡ଼ି ଦେଇଥିଲା ତାପରେ ରିମେମ୍ବର କରା ତ ସେଇ ପରଫେକ୍ଟ ପାଷ୍ଟ ପରଫେକ୍ଟ ହେଡ୍ ଲେଫ୍ଟ ନମ୍ବର ବି next one is 67 okay 67 if I had seen you I invited you to my party ଆମର if class ରେ first if class 0 helping verb 0 helping verb has to be wait
I pakai.
Okay. Okay. In if class we find type 1 0 helping verb 0 helping verb has to be right. Type 2 type 1 sorry this is 0 this is type 1 this is 0 that means no helping verb type 1 could understand no helping verb 1 helping verb that is the past. Type 2 this is past would or type 2 shall be 0. Type 2 would do. Type 3 had would have. So if I had there is had could understand seen you had ghita would have एनु आमे उडेबडा करबा कोड अछि उडेब इनवाइटेड यू डी करेक्ट आंसर इज डी ओके हेड रो घटा होची कोन उडेब सो इट इज करेक्ट आंसर. नेक्स्ट वन इज नंबर डी. नेक्स्ट वन इज इफ आई हैड सीन यू उडेब इनवाइटेड 7 so that is 68. If Subra Subra days not spent, sorry, if Subra bracket in bracket not spent much, she would have had a lot of bank balance. Would have ঘরটা কোন কইছিলি? Had, could understand it had like had not spent. Spent. So right answer is, tell me.
Number C.
Number C. Number C. Had not spent. Number C is correct. Right? With this, that is the end of today's English class. Could understand?
Yes.
We shall discuss the other questions and answers in our next class. Till then, bye. Thank you.
It's okay.